Good morning! It is a great day to be creative. Whoa! I want to color a picture for Mike. This room is full of beautiful colors. The paper is clean and smooth. I need to choose the best tools. I will sketch the design first. This will be a big, bright sun. The rays go out from the sun. The cloud is high in the sky. I can remove the wrong line. Wrong line. Yellow is the color of light. I am coloring inside the lines. The sky is a deep blue today. The sun is coming out now. The grass needs to be green. I am drawing tiny blades of grass. This red is very vibrant. The petals are soft and red. The tree trunk is dark brown. The bark feels very rough. Waffle. I have a big palette of colors. A purple butterfly is flying. The tip must be very sharp. Detail is very important in art. Orange makes the sun look warm. The picture is coming to life. I need a short break. I look like a busy artist. The outline makes the shapes pop. I am tracing the lines carefully. I will add a symbol of love. I will sign my name here. The coloring is finally done. I will display my art today. The fridge is a good place. It looks wonderful in the kitchen. Art makes me very hungry. Time to clean my messy clothes.
My hands are clean now.
The house is very quiet now. The sky is so beautiful tonight. The blanket is very cozy. I love reading in the evening. This is a very interesting book. Everything is silent tonight. The house is quiet and still. Good night to the world. The sky is dark blue and the moon is round. I will have sweet dreams. The house is silent while we sleep. The mind is resting in the long night. I kept my home tidy today. A new day is beginning with soft pink light. The clock shows it is 7 o'clock. Life is very wonderful. Everything is perfect now. Coloring is fun. Goodbye. What shall I draw next? Yellow paper is very cheerful. Glue helps things stick together. Glitter pens are so shiny. Mike will love this card.
The envelope is small and white.
I love making gifts. I love making gifts.
The sofa is very soft.
The moon is round like my sun. The house is warm and safe. The day was full of art. Sweet dreams to everyone. The world is silent, and the stars are far away. The mind is resting well in a quiet body. A new morning is here for everyone. See you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye.